Have you ever wondered what new technologies are reshaping our world today? In this video, we dive into the latest tech updates that are making waves. We'll explore exciting advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and renewable energy. Stay tuned as we break down these trends step by step. First, let's talk about artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Every day, new algorithms are developed, enhancing machine learning capabilities. This means smarter virtual assistants and improved data processing. Next, let's look at robotics. Robots are no longer just found in factories. They now assist in homes, hospitals, and even in our classrooms. For instance, telepresence robots allow remote communication and visibility. Now, let's transition to renewable energy technologies. Solar and wind energy are becoming more efficient and affordable. Innovative storage solutions, like advanced batteries, are emerging. This helps us harness and store energy for later use. To illustrate these updates, imagine your smart home. With AI, it can learn your habits and adjust energy usage. The cleaner energy from solar panels reduces your bills, too. Now picture a robot helping in a hospital. It can deliver supplies, allowing nurses to focus on patient care. Summarizing these points, AI, robotics, and renewable energy are transforming our lives. They offer solutions to many global challenges we face today. By embracing these technologies, we can lead to a brighter future. So, stay informed and keep exploring the tech world around you. For more updates and details, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Join us as we continue to uncover the marvels of modern technology. Have you ever considered the impact of these advancements on your daily life? Each innovation brings unique challenges and benefits that deserve our attention. For example, the integration of AI into healthcare not only improves patient outcomes but also raises ethical questions about data privacy and decision-making. In robotics, the presence of machines in public spaces prompts discussions on job displacement versus job creation. Furthermore, as we engage with renewable energy solutions, we must also consider their environmental impact. While increased solar panel adoption reduces carbon footprints, the production processes can generate pollution. Therefore, it's essential to balance the benefits with sustainable practices. By fostering discussions around these issues, we can ensure that technological growth aligns with societal values, ultimately empowering communities and protecting our planet. The dialogue must continue, as every voice contributes to shaping the direction of innovation. Next, let's examine the societal implications of these transformative technologies. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into everyday life, individuals must adapt to a world where machines partake in decision-making processes. This shift may lead to greater efficiency, but it complicates the way we think about trust and accountability in technology. In robotics, we're spotlit on the importance of human-robot collaboration, ensuring machines enhance rather than detract from human capabilities. Meanwhile, the expansion of renewable energy requires investment in infrastructure and education to maximize its potential. Communities may need resources to understand these systems fully, ensuring that all individuals benefit. By addressing these implications holistically, we pave the way for a future that prioritizes human welfare alongside technological progress. The conversation surrounding these issues is just as vital as the innovations themselves, shaping how we live and work together in an evolving landscape. Thus, it's crucial to remain inclusive and thoughtful in our approach to these advancements. As we delve into the interconnectedness of technology and society, we must highlight the role of education in this transformation. Schools and institutions need to equip students with the skills to navigate and thrive in a tech-driven world. Emphasizing STEM education fosters innovation and creativity, preparing the next generation for roles that may not yet exist. It's a collective journey towards understanding technology's role in shaping our future, calling for our active engagement. By embracing education, critical discussions, and innovative solutions, we can harness the potential of AI, robotics, and renewable energy, ensuring they serve humanity while fostering a sustainable world for generations to come.